Hi guys, we are at Eggesford Station, level crossing in Devon. You can level crossing to more, new into 125. Right, yeah. Time now is 1100 on Saturday the 6th of March 2021. And this will be for your 10:59 expected 58 to Juliet 84 gross tomorrow service from Barnstable to St James Park. And over there was for your 10:57 expected 56 to Bravo 75 gross tomorrow service from St James Park to Barnstable. And this is about to depart, so I'm going to get ready in case I get a tone. Which I probably will, but not for real. Yeah. 158957. One 58957 to St James Park.